What's up, weirdos? All right, massive pump for Jasmy coming. What goes down must come up. Or is it the other way around? We're going to get into it, guys. We're going to give you every little bit of it. But first, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Wallet, guys. Get yourself one today. I got one. You should have one too. Not your keys, not your coins. Don't trust these exchanges with your money. Hold your coins yourself, guys. Link down below for an amazing deal. All right, let's get into it here. Jasmy down 0.7% on the day, 20.5 on the week, 39 on the month, and 36 on the year. Even in rank at 90, a $640 million market cap, 55 million in volume. Jump over to Zebek. Down 6% on the day, 34.7 on the week, 4.5 on the month, down 17 spots on rank to 414, $66 million market cap, 20 million in volume. Oh, I got the hiccups in volume. That was kind of funny. XCN down 3.5% on the day, 10.8 on the week, 39 on the month, but up 286% on the year, down one spot in rank to 118, $423 million market cap, 92 million in volume. Swiftcoin volume is going to be bad. Down 6.3% on the day, 17.5 on the week, 47.7 on the month, but up 64.8 on the year. Down 10 spots in rank to 300, $105 million market cap, 3 million in volume. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart first, see what's going on over there. All right, so we had a daily close right around that $81,000 level, guys. Like I said, this is our end target. We're not going to get there in one candle, but we will work our way down there. We could hold 72 to 74, but I tend to feel like we're coming down even on a wick to touch this 69K level, guys. To invalidate this as a potential move, we have to close above this blue line way up here at $91,000. If we can reclaim that, then we can invalidate this. But anything short of that, we're going to have to make that visit to the downside, guys. We'll see what happens, right? Now, listen, we could and probably will come up inside this golden pocket zone right here, this purple box that I have highlighted with a white on the outside. That is 64 to 66K. We could come back up inside of there for that little bit of relief, guys. Hell, we could come all the way up to 89 to 90, really. But until we start closing daily candles, multiple daily candles above $91,000, downside is where we're going, guys. And I'm perfectly fine with that. Our community, listen, our community is 100% ready and prepared for that move, guys. We are stoked. We are ready to pounce on some amazing deals. So bring it on, baby. Bring it on, right? What do we got? Over on the Jasmy chart. Just back inside of our range here, inside this falling wedge pattern. That's good at 1 cent 316. If Bitcoin dumps, though, can we hold 1 cent too, or will we come down to 1 cent? These are our next support levels, so that's what you're going to watch out for on Jasmy. Zebek. Let's have a look over at Zebek's chart. What's going on over there? So we had our close not far from where we are now, 3009. We're at 309013 right now. Major support right here, 308. Will it hold? I guess we'll find out, right? Depends on how violently Bitcoin moves. But as you can see, it's been a significant level for quite a while. So I think it would take quite a bit. And even if we do, I've said this before, even if we wick down on a weekly basis, like on a weekly time frame, we could wick down below, but close inside of this structure. I wouldn't be surprised at all. So more opportunity, guys, more opportunity. All right, Swiftcoin, still in this descending channel, very bullish. Seem to have a little bit of a significant level right around here at that 1 cent 03 level. But we will likely see lower levels, guys. I'm counting on it because I will back that truck up if we do. Going over to Onyx Coin. Man, I'm exhausted today. All right, so we're outside of the channel here on Onyx Coin. We have closed outside of here. We're sitting at 1 cent 28 right now, but I feel like we're going to come back down inside of here though, guys, because we keep trying to break out, as you can see, but there's no volume. We have no volume, right? As long as we don't have any volume, we're not going to see any massive breakouts, right? Onyx Coin's trying. It's trying. It's a little engine that could, but no volume in the market, right? And we have discussed what's going to change that to an exhausting degree. So over 20,310%. Jasmy price pump to bull target of $2.99. Leave analysts bullish for altcoins as BTC dominance prepares to fall. Interesting. All right. Every day, analysts hoping to see the alt season peak phase arrive. Keep a close eye on the Bitcoin dominance, hoping to see it fall. In particular, many altcoins are prepared to pump and are simply waiting for a trigger to launch into a parabolic rally. For instance, a Jasmy price pump to bull target is on the horizon. To highlight, one reputed crypto analyst who has made many bullish predictions believes that BTC has already made its cycle top this bull cycle. He is now waiting for BTC dominance to fall so alt season peak phase can arrive. He believes this event is close to happening and is just waiting for a trigger to spark it. Crypto Bullet, as you can see from his post. He says last month, Bitcoin dominance printed the third consecutive TD9 sell. I always pay attention to those nines, especially when there's a series of nines and they're facing the dotted horizontal resistance. I believe Bitcoin dominance is topped out and will inevitably go down. As we can see from the post above, the analyst shares the 1 month Bitcoin dominance chart, which last month printed the third consecutive TD9 sell. He says the nines must be given extra attention, especially when a series of nines are in play and are facing the dotted horizontal resistance. He believes the Bitcoin dominance is topped out and will inevitably go down. Now, before I continue, guys, I want to touch on that. And this is something I'm probably going to talk about in the live stream tomorrow. Okay. There is a possibility, there is a reality, there is a good chance, in fact, right, that Bitcoin dominance has topped out and that we don't really have too much higher to go in Bitcoin's price this bull run, right? 120, 130,000, 150. I've always been of the belief we were going to see about 150 to 180, but if we fell short and only hit between 120 and 130, I wouldn't be surprised, right? Very similar to the last cycle where everyone was positive we were going to break $100,000 and then go beyond to 200,000. We only ended up hitting 69,000, right? Right now, you have a lot of people, this whole cycle, you've had a lot of people calling for 200,000, 250, 300,000. So it would fall right in line with the history of Bitcoin to top out around $120,000 to $130,000 and surprise everybody. Now, a lot of you new people out there are asking right now, you're just chomping at the bit. You're wishing that this was alive because you want to say, what does that mean for the altcoins, Rob? Well, what that would mean for the altcoins is that if this analyst is correct and Bitcoin dominance is about to start to fall, then Bitcoin's price will continue up somewhere around that $120 to $130,000 level. But at the same time, you will see altcoins start to go parabolic, right? Now that could happen later this year. We could see that happen, right? Now, There's other new people who have asked me in the past, well, Rob, why is that? Doesn't make any sense. You're lying. Bitcoin dominance is going to crash, but Bitcoin's price is going to go up. Yes, yes. There is a very, very common misunderstanding as to what Bitcoin dominance is. Bitcoin dominance refers to Bitcoin outperforming the altcoins in price action, in percentages, right? So it doesn't necessarily mean that money is leaving Bitcoin and going into the altcoins. That's the misconception, right? Money flows into altcoins by money coming into the market, liquidity coming into the market, right? Altcoins, price action wise, percentage wise, if you will, start to outperform Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean that Bitcoin's going down. That just means that altcoins are going up faster than Bitcoin is going up. That's what that means, okay? So while all Bitcoin dominance crashes, Bitcoin's price goes up along with the altcoins. So some things to chew on, guys. As this year continues to play itself out, that is a very real possibility. Maybe in this spring, we see Bitcoin top $120,000, $130,000, maybe around June. A lot of speculation right now, especially from me personally, about the Fed and Powell announcing the backing off of quantitative tightening and 25 basis point rate cut in June, right? If that happened, we could see Bitcoin start to fly, Bitcoin dominance start to crash, and altcoins shortly thereafter, August, September, start their parabolic run into the fall, and we end this market cycle like we expected, sometime around October, November, right? Something for you to chew on, guys, but we'll continue on here. Javin Marks says, before Jasmy Coin's 500% surge this cycle, we noted its price breakout and that its volume had neared some its high positive levels ever, highest possible levels ever. Prices are still broken out here, and volume has only recently surpassed its highest positive levels ever. Several altcoins are preparing for the Bitcoin dominance to fall so they can begin to pump. One such altcoin is Jasmy, which indicates a parabolic Jasmy price pump to a bull target of $2.99, which could mean a pump of over 20,310%. As we can see from the post above, the analyst remains heavily bullish on Jasmy, this altcoin peak. Now, I want to be clear on something, guys. Do I think that Jasmy is going to $2.99 in this cycle? No, I do not. No, I do not. Next cycle, absolutely, I believe that the potential is there. This time around, I think it's a bridge too far. However, my wife tells me I'm wrong all the time. So there you go. We'll have to play it out and see what happens. So yeah. As we prepare for this drop down, potential drop down to $68,000 to $69,000 or $72,000 to $74,000, you want to be a part of a community, guys. One of the largest educational communities in the crypto space, right? You want to be prepared. You want to have a plan in place so that you know what you're doing when things go crazy. Many people have told me after I warned them, when things are going up and you don't, all of a sudden, you're not going to know whether you're selling too soon or holding too long. If you need help with these things, guys, now is the perfect time to join, like I said, one of the largest crypto communities in the space. We're there to help you. We are live every single evening over on the Patreon. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. We are not one of those channels that give you cookie cutter plans for everybody. We design your exit strategy, your profit taking plan, and the structure of your portfolio like a fingerprint to you, your budget, your portfolio size, and your risk tolerance level. So get over there, guys. The link is down below in the description. Join our live streams every evening. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. They fill up very fast, so get over there. We have a Patreon-only Discord channel as well. You can join that. Get over there. And so much more, guys. We drop gem videos every single day and so much more. So check it out for yourselves. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, you guys. So yeah, once again, also shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Get yourselves one of those as well, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys over on the Patreon.